Okay, now let's talk a little bit about the listen mode. In this mode, you can listen to any deck at any time as often as you want without disrupting the spaced repetition algorithm. I like to use this listen mode when I'm driving in my truck, working, or just doing stuff around the house. Let's click on this Russian politics. Okay, and you'll see up at the top, highlighted with blue, we have the record mode, we have the listen mode, and review mode. We're going to pick our listen mode. And you'll notice down here at the bottom we have a play button. We have question, we have answer, we have fast forward, we have reverse, and our stop button. Typical and loop button. You can shut that on or off if you want it to repeat or not. Okay. Shuffle takes your order cards and makes them random. This shows you the number of cards and the card that we're on. So the first out of 3 cards is being shown. Here is our time indicator for time between questions and answers, and time between questions and time between question and answer. Okay, and we can move this however we want, back and forth, whatever time frame we want between questions and answers. I prefer 1 and 2. That seems to be the best for me. It depends on how long the answer is, but basically I like between 2 and 3 seconds. Okay, and up here we have our buttons, and these refer to the cards and the number of stars. So for example, the yellow button shows that we have right now we're listening to all of our cards. If we move to this button and we want to just listen to the cards with 0 stars, meaning that maybe we have 30 cards and out of those 30 we got 10 of them wrong. Those cards will be in this button here, basically showing that you need to start all over again. Okay, the next button is 1 star. Say right now we have 3 cards in this pile, as you can see. When I went from here, there's nothing, 0 out of 0, and here we have 1 out of 3. And again, we go to the next one, the 4th button, and we have cards with 2 stars. We don't have any, so it's got 0 in parentheses. 3 stars, we have no cards in there, 0 in the parentheses, and so on. It just basically shows you how many cards you have versus the stars. So you can basically, if you have 5 cards with 5 stars and you just want to review those a little bit, you can go ahead and just review those. If you want to come back here and review all your cards that have 0 stars, those are the cards that are really needing review because you have missed them. And this is the one that I usually put on, like if I'm laying in bed at night, I'll listen to some particular decks and just go through my entire deck, and I'll keep the loop mode on. Okay, that's it for our listen mode. Thank you.